And it actually goes up over here too. Sometimes when the person's neck is bigger than most, you can't really, unless you really
Put your
push
knee
down.
on it.
You might have kick lines.
This is true.
And that's all I'm saying. Kids be working
Have you
out.
learned with adults?
No.
Choking in children.
When you're giving them the breaths, make sure that you are lifting their neck to open up their trachea, their airway, and then putting your mouth over the mouth and the nose.
Correct.
All right.
I would also like to make sure they call 911. Yes.
3. What should you do when you phone?
Dial not you, dial 911.
I will dial
Okay, you're a kind of person. You're going to assess.
A little quicker. Ha, 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 ha. Staying alive, staying alive. Ha.
Go.
Yes, yes. Tilt the head.
The head.
Yes.
And then.
He's back.
Breathe in.
That's
Keep
good.
it right.
He's still not breathing.
Oh, God. She's saving lives over here. She's saving lives over here. Oh, man.
And breath in. 1,
2. Good job. The chest is rising. Perfect. Back to compression.
Immediately. Go,
He's not hairy. He's not hairy. God bless America. He's not hairy.
Oh, here we go.
Shock delivered. Port.
Perfect. 2 breaths. Another 30 compressions. Over that.
There you go.
Hairy.
30.
Yeah, I was just there.
30, and then you're gonna lift this head up. You're gonna turn it around.
I'm getting tired. All right.
4, 5.
Yeah.
Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
All right. There we go.